This is Mrs. Damon, and this video will show you how to use the Instant Alpha feature in Keynote and how to use a shape as a mask in Keynote. The first thing you need to do is open up Keynote on your iPad. Once you are in Keynote, you need to create a presentation. I'm going to choose a plain background presentation to start with. Now I'm going to delete the words from the page by single tapping and pushing delete. The next thing I'm going to do is add a background photo. So I have already saved some photos from the internet onto my camera roll. So I'm going to tap the plus in the upper right hand corner. Select camera roll, and I'm going to select this nice background of a city. The next thing I'm going to do is select a picture that was taken on a solid background. Now I will return to my photo, and I want to make sure that my photo is selected. You can tell your photo is selected because the blue dots will show up around the edges. The next thing we will do is select the paintbrush. And there are three options across the top: Style, Image, and Arrange. I'm going to tap Image, and then Instant Alpha. Now I'm going to take my finger and I will drag my finger across the page, and everything on my page right now that's turning purple will become transparent. This might take more than one try. So I will continue to work around the picture and remove all of the background. When I'm happy with my picture, I'm going to select Done. And now I've removed the background. We are going to turn Mr. Monahan into a Superman I'm going to push and hold my image with one finger, and then I'm going to take another finger, my other pointer finger, and I'm going to drag and turn. Now I will make him smaller. Line him up with the edge, and now it looks like he's flying from the side of the page over the city. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to make a mask of a shape. The first thing we're going to do is go to our camera roll, and I'm going to add in this picture of Superman. I am going to use Instant Alpha to remove the background. This is not necessary for the mask as shape part. However, it's good practice to see Instant Alpha again, and we will use it in a minute. So now I'll remove the background, select Done, and I'm just going to drag him and line him up right there. I'm going to add in a photo of Mr. Monahan. Once again, I will use Instant Alpha. So to the paintbrush, Image, Instant Alpha. Drag my finger across, and I will remove that. Select Done. Now, I'm going to add a shape. So go to the plus and then tap the shapes across the top. So there's a square and a circle. I'm going to select a circle. You could select a different shape depending on what you are using. And I'm going to line up this circle and adjust the size to be over Mr. Monahan's face. That looks pretty good. I'm going to slide it off to the side. Now I'm going to push and hold the circle with my right pointer finger. And now I'm going to select Mr. Monahan with my left pointer finger so that both are selected. And if you'll notice, I get some different choices that pop up. I will select mask with shape. And what I'm going to do now is take the picture of Mr. Monahan and I'm going to slide it over. You can see I want to line it up inside that picture. If I select done, it's basically cropping the picture, but just to that shape. Now I can drag my Mr. Monahan face over the Superman face, and now Mr. Monahan has become Superman. However, if you notice, part of Superman is showing up, so I'm going to move that. I'm just going to double tap my image of Superman, and I'm going to crop his face out. And now I will drag Mr. Monahan's face back over there. And now Mr. Monahan has become Superman.